Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
All good. So, what are we making today?
So today we'll be making Cosmopolitan.
Drink for the day.
Well, drink for the night.
Yeah.
Alright. So 60 ml of vodka. Again, the golden ratio which I was talking about in the last video. 25 ml of this. And then 15 ml of
Lovely.
Now, we'll be using cranberry juice. Always give it a good shake before you use any juices because a lot of the pulp is sitting in the bottom. Now, you know, a lot of the bartenders where you go to the bars, you have a very pinkish sort of Cosmo, which is actually not the color which you're looking for. So, to make a nice Cosmo, you only require around 20 ml. Okay, so here's 20. Thank you so much.
And I think you will like rice, huh?
Yes. You require only cocktails to make sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Of course.
Why don't you do it this time?
No, I don't want to try this. You please go ahead.
Alright, no problem. So again, very simple. Put your thumb over here, couple of fingers over here, just making sure this is completely done back. But here we'll be just using a margarita glass. Okay, you can use any glass. Right. The only reason why I'm using the margarita glass, again, home bartenders are gonna keep it basic.
Yeah.
Just pull that out. So you're looking for this nice salmon pink color.
This looks just perfect.
And a nice lemon wedge. You can either squeeze from the behind just to release some oils, or just drop it. That's all you require. In a home bartender. Please enjoy the drink.
Yes, I can't wait. It's very, very, I mean, it has a lot of tinge of lemon in it,
Absolutely.
but the sugar balances it out. That's the best thing about all your drinks so far I've tasted.
Thank you, thank you.
And vodka is my favorite, so I can't say more.
Great. The vodka is one of my favorites. It's one of the best drinks to mix it with any cocktails,
Yes.
apart from white rum.
And this is really awesome. So let me just have it. Bye bye.
See you guys. Thank you.